Hey guys, Brandon with Affordable Security Locksmith and Alarm Company. Over here making a key for a Jeep Laredo 2016. Let's go ahead and make a key for it. And it is a Jeep. Where are you at here? Jeep. (2016). We're gonna connect to it. Make sure the ignition off. It is off. Put hazards on. Hazards are on. Gonna read the pin code. Could take up to 5 minutes. When it comes back up, I'll come back. Okay, we're back. We got the pin code. Okay. Go back, and we want to... Okay, gotta reconnect to it. Ignition is off. Hazards are on. Program key. Wireless device is close by. Yes. Follow the next screen and be careful. Complete operation within 30 seconds. Okay. Now it's 3 keys programmed, and that's how you program it. If you guys need key programming for a Jeep, we can take care of that for you. Affordable Security is Yuma's preferred locksmith for automaking and commercial work. If you have any questions, feel free to reach us at 928-580-2775 or online at 580-2775.com. See you in the next video.